Alright, welcome back to Building Dad Bod 2.0. Last few days before I try my 1,100 pound total on Saturday, so kind of looking ahead to my summer training. One of the things I want to rebuild is my pull-ups. I've been dealing with a forearm injury for over a year now, but slowly getting better. I'm going to start rebuilding my pull-up speed just with body weight. So I'm hitting 6 sets of 2 here, body weight speed pull-ups. They're not super fast. I am in the full peak of my bulk, so I'm about 196 pounds right now, which is about 16 to 20 pounds heavier than I will be when I'm done my cut coming up here. So just getting a feel for these. After that, I'm just working on getting my lat to loosen off on the left side. It's been really tight. My trap's been tight since I hurt this shoulder and bicep tendon. It's just been getting tighter and tighter. So got my, right where the lat attaches under my armpit there, leaning all my weight on the barbell. Find the really tender spot, and then I'm just making that shoulder work. Trying to get the arm so it's coming in behind my head. When I started, it was kind of coming in front of my head because that's all the mobility I had. But as that lat loosens off, the mobility gets better and better. Next exercise I hit today was some light overhead press. First set, my shoulder was just popping and clunking like crazy. Then I did these. Second set, it felt a lot better. And then the third set, it felt substantially better. Just overall, the bar moved better, the shoulder felt better, everything felt better on the third set. So I'll just show you the third set of overhead press. It was 132 pounds or 60 kilograms. I just did sets of 6, had more in the tank, but I didn't want to push it to failure. Just trying to get a feel for these. Going to start hitting some overhead press again next week. And then going to hit one day with some overhead press, another day with push press. My goal coming up here is to hit a 230 pound push press. So we're going to work hard at that and see where we can do. Still going to do a little bit of flat bench this summer, probably just some heavy singles with the slingshot. But most of my pressing is going to go incline for the summer. I think it'll feel better on the shoulder and just be nice to hit bench from a different angle for a couple months here. The incline bench probably won't be super strong off the start either, so it'll force me to use a little lighter weights and give this shoulder some more time to recover. I gotta sit down here, write up my summer plan pretty quick. Probably Friday night's gonna be a straight up rest night, so probably get to work on that. Someone wanted me to make a video on how I program, so I'll try to make a video of that. I've been kind of putting it off because I'm no good at doing graphics and stuff, so I don't know. Maybe I'll just use a whiteboard, write it up on the whiteboard and show it there. Maybe not the most visually captivating video, but my editing skills are trash. So, but I'm excited to get on the summer program, excited to start cutting weight. I want to get lean again. I think next year I'm going to try to hit a heavier total than I did this year, but do it at a substantially lighter body weight. I put on a lot of strength this year, so I think it'll be absolutely doable. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.